Pine trees, a Christmas classic known and loved by many. We've been using the pine tree to bringing it into our homes, celebrating holidays such as Christmas for thousands of years. And what better way to supplement a gloomy winter by bringing a green tree into your home? Evergreen leaves staying green all year long. Not only do these pine trees serve for aesthetic purposes and holidays, but they have a lot of other purposes as well. Lumber, rosin,
like turpentine.
These trees are especially good at growing in cold, dry environments. The leaves have a reduced surface area, so they're more needle-like than the common leaves you see that are like all, super wide. And they have a thick, waxy cuticle, and you can, kind of feel that when you touch the leaves. And both of these things help them in cold and dry environments. Additionally, they have stomates, which are their gas exchange pores, or how they breathe. And they are sunken into the tissue of these leaves to help prevent too much water loss. Additional advantage to dry environment. Now, these leaves are really key in identifying many pine trees and seeing what kind of species it is. There are a few types of pine trees that are common for Christmas trees. We've got firs, Scotch pine, Douglas fir, which is not an actual fir. In order to identify it, you start off with looking at the branch and how the actual little needle leaves are attached to the stem. This one we have here, you can see the branch, and then each leaf is solo in its attachment to the branch. So these are single. Other pine trees can grow in clusters, 1 or 2, up to 5. So ours are single onto the leaves, and the place in which they attach to the twig is kind of broad. Some are more narrow. This leaf is flat, unlike some other types of pine trees and Christmas trees. Can't roll it between my fingers super easy because it's really flat. And then on the bottom of this, we have rows of stomates, which you can see, not with this camera, but if you look underneath, you can see 2 white lines, which are the sunken in stomates. Fir tree! Know the plants around you and save plants to save the planet.